Okay, guys, this is Elad from Sigma Academy. Today we are going to trade together. I had a nice trade on London session. You can see the video on this channel. So for today, we have ISM services PMI on 10 a.m. So there will be a manipulation in this hour. Okay, and don't rush to a trade. Let the chart do what he wants to do. Let's move on to the charts. Okay, so here we are on the hourly chart. First of all, what do I expect? I have relative equal highs right here, equal lows below. So I want any side of those two to be taken out so we can trade the opposite way. On the 4 hour, you can see this right here. On the 4 hour, 2 p.m., 2 p.m., we have an SMT on the higher time frame as we expected last week. As you can see, we made an MSS, fair value gap, up candles should be respect for lower prices. On the NQ, this may be our Judas winning. One moment, I will check if everything is alright on the trading platform.
Order submitted.
Good.
Order canceled.
Okay, I will trade live with you today. So on the 4 hour, we are pretty bearish. We have an SMT on the higher time frame. So we can expect the next target for the price is here. We have relative equal lows right here. Retail traders may see it as a support. On the 1 hour, we have this relative equal highs. So what I'm expecting the price will do is like this. We go short. This is our first target. This is the second target. Okay, this is on the bearish position. Once we will see some reversal near to 10 a.m., we can expect this move to happen. I don't think it will be, but we should be open-minded. So for now, the market just opened. We can expect some movement on the first 15 minutes. If I don't see any manipulation on these 15 minutes, that I will be aligned with the high time frame idea, I won't enter any trade. The high time frame idea is right here. This liquidity will be swept. Once this high will be taken out, we can see if we have any clue to go lower. This right here also interesting. See? This inversion is very special because this one is a breaker. This is the down candles that send us higher, and we have lower low. So this all this area is a breaker, and we have inversion in it. Once you see it, it's acting like an order block. Okay, let's see. Do we have an first? Here we have the first presented, fair value gap. FVG. Just straight to our high. What happens on the ES? This one already taken. Notice, if this one is taken out, I will show you it on the hourly chart. You can see here. 20 right here. You can see those correlated assets should have the same highs, the same lows. But once we are taking this high and not taking this high on the ES, we can anticipate for lower prices because the NQ may cause a Judas swing right here and go lower. The next target will be this low right here, and after that on the higher time frame will be those equal lows. Follows. For now we are waiting. This inversion, fair value gap. I won't trade it, okay? We don't have any clear SMT on the higher time frame as I expecting. Also, any liquidity we have not cleared any liquidity, so it may go to this first presented and go higher. Now we are just waiting. It should support price. I won't go short here because we have this high above us. Even though we have fair value gap, inversion, also fair value gap, double DPR if you want to call it. Also, we have this first presented that has been violated. On the ES, it took the highest high. Oh, and the NQ is the same. Okay, so we are good for now. I don't buy it for now. Maybe it just tapped into this order block right here. Go higher. with a lot of interest right here. SMT, inversion, breaker, liquidity, with a lot of juice, by the way. Let's see. We don't have an MSS for now. ES is much stronger, by the way. We should wait. On other days, I will be putting here a short position, stop in this area, about 25 points of risk. But we have this high near to us. So maybe they want to make us think it's a resistance and it will go lower for now. I don't think so, by the way. We can mark this time here. Let's put it here. This is the macro time. Well, now we can expect lower prices. Don't like how it plays out, by the way. It looks very bearish for now. This high, I think we should take it also out. With a lot of stop orders right here below also. We can remove this mark. Maybe we will take this low and then it will send us higher to this high, and then we have liquidity to target. This is a great trade idea. Most of the time I will prefer that I will have liquidity to target on the other side. We will wait. This window of time will give us more clear setup. Maybe after the news release, I don't know. We should wait. 5 minutes. Down candle is being respected. On a bullish trend, you can expect down candle will support price to go higher. As you can see, down candle, we went higher. Down candles, again. Down candles, again. Down candles, support, go higher again. The turning point will be liquidity, as you can see right here, or high time frame order block. Like this here. You can see it has fair value gap on the hourly. This right here also a order block. It projects fair value gaps and breaking structure above. So now I can anticipate this raid on this time window. It will be great, by the way. So we have an inversion first presented. So now we should wait. By the way, you can mark this as an inversion also. We have MSS. It's not promising to go higher, but it may be, because we haven't taken any liquidity. So where is the price is heading to? Let's see on the higher time frame. What is next? Where is the money? Where is the money? Here, here, here. On the ES, where is the money? Here you can see it. This one I will make it purple, because it indicates what is the difference between the NQ and the ES. This one on the NQ is our high. You can see it. So now we have again money right here on the ES. Let's see. Let's see. And we are going up. ES is stronger, as you can see. Oh, we have a displacement right here. I will prefer to go long to this point, by the way. Let's see what happens in this area after the liquidity will be swept. I think I will wait on the 5 minutes. should wait for now. 5 minutes here also. I want to see any manipulation. I don't see any manipulation for now. You can see it goes up and it goes down. I don't have drama on the chart. I want to see drama. Some screams by losing traders. Oh, they took my money. Something like that. To show you something, once you have one by one fair value gap, you see right here and right here. Most of the time, you can expect from the second one to reject the price. You can see this is right here, 1, 2, and we went lower. By the way, we have another one right here, inversion. It's better to count on the second fair value gap. Just note it. Looks like we are waiting. We have this fair value gap also. On the other side, this fair value gap. It may go higher and may go lower. Now, up candles reject price. You can see this box structure. Those are up candles. It may go lower for now. Only by this idea, after liquidity has been swept, you can trade. Let's see how it respects it. Great. You can see we're going to take some liquidity in this time period. This is where the algorithm will help us to notice which liquidity should be taken out and trade for. Let's wait for now. Lot of juice right here, by the way. Lot of juice. Let's see what happens on the ES. ES is a little bit mm, bullish. This would be something like that in SMT with the ES and then Q. Maybe we are waiting for the 10 a.m. Let's see. Great. Now we have screams. Oh, they are taking my money. We can expect this move for now. Something like that. Would be great. 1 to 4. Great risk to reward. You should notice what happens on the 10 a.m. Again, a support by the retail. Support price. They are making traders to think it's a support, so they will put their stop orders right here. Little bit choppy. Chop chop. Let's see. Yes, is much more bullish. I want this one to be taken out. This is what I'm expecting to. Let's wait. 1.5 minute to the news. Let's see what will happen. Right here will be a great trade idea. To the other side. Okay, 10 seconds. Let's see. Need to go deeper. Deeper. Do we have any fair value gap here? We should expect to be inverse. See right here. We ignore it until any liquidity will be taken out. What happens on the ES? Seems bullish as always. ES, what is your target on the higher time frame? Those eyes maybe. Okay. NQ on the higher time frame, what is your target? Yes. Yes, it should be. Let's see. For now, I'm looking for any manipulation. Candle, send us lower. Up candles, send us lower for now. Also, don't like if it will go just take highs and go higher. I would prefer right here. This is our liquidity rate. Oh, now I don't see any fair value gap. I want this fair value gap to be open
Connection lost.
and then violated. Great, here we go. My eyes is right here. See, it's tiny. Where's the manipulation? Maybe here. This one is much more clean setup. We are tapping into fair value gap on the higher time frame, as you can see, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Enough is enough. Great. For now, let's move our attention to this one. Let's see what will happen. One moment, I'm checking something with the connection. Okay, I'm good. this one to be violated. What happens on the ES? Okay, a little bit more bullish. The smooth area, as you can see. For now, we have an SMT. This low is on 20. This low is on 20. For now, we have an SMT, something like this. If you compare the highs and the lows, one moment. Okay, nice reaction here. After this has been taken out, let's see how this one closes. One moment. For now, it's looking good, by the way. Respected for now. Let's wait until it violating him. We can remove those. For now, we have liquidity on our side. Close below is fair value gap. So for now, I'm waiting. Something happening here. 40 seconds. It's on the yes. Good. Will it stay above? Not. Oh, closed above. So we are in the trade.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we're good. I'm targeting this high. Okay? Liquidity swept, all the long buyers knocked out, violating this fair value gap, and we have an SMT on our side. What do you think? Something like that. 1 to almost 6. It's not looking good. Maybe I will reduce my risk on this trade. Come on, move up. Maybe it's a loss. It's a win. Good for now. We can take partial right here. Not, it's not looking good. And
Order
we
failed.
are out. Something happened here. I'm still in position with my micro. I have accounts that are in micro, e-mini. He didn't go to this low. You can see low of the bodies on the NQ. It just did. Strange. What happened here? Okay, we are breaking structure to the upside. What about my positions? Okay, I'm in with my micro account. See. Okay, for now,
Order canceled.
this is my trade. I don't know what happens, but we are attacking right here. Just a little bit lower and we were on the trade on this chart. I have about 30 accounts in total. This one is the only one with the NQ contracts. Not a big deal. Closed above this one. You can see it. But I want more PD arrays in my side. Such this fair value gap. By the way, we have an MSS. Down candle send us higher for the first time. Let's see how it plays out. Stop can move to this point right here because it shows us strength for now. Do we have a fair value gap, by the way? No. What do we have in the ES? On the ES we have fair value gap, but we are going lower on the both indices. Up candle, send us lower. Up candles, send us lower. But this one here, down candle, send us higher.
Order filled.
And we are out with all the accounts. Okay, I'm checking. I don't have any position open. Great. Closing all my orders. Great. So what we have here. First of all, we have this liquidity. Okay, the first buyers were here. They thought the markets will go higher on the higher time frame. Okay. After the news, we tapped into this low, took those stops. Also, we tapped into this fair value gap on the higher time frame right here. You can see it. And we violated this fair value gap. This for me is a little bit aggressive, but this for me is a change in the state of the liver. Okay, but it went lower. Maybe it will turn bearish, but I don't think so. Something is strange here. But loss is a loss. Okay, if you like my video, glad that I have teach you something here. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and we are going to do live streams every day, most of the time. My name is Elad. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, don't do mistakes, and leave the chart. One trade a day is enough. Have a nice day.